Should you have detailed targeting expansion on or off in your Facebook ads? Hi, my name is Regitze from Regitze Marketing Agency. So do you know this tab where you can turn on detailed targeting expansion? What it means is that you set a certain target audience, like some certain interest group. But when you turn detailed targeting expansion on, then you're allowing Facebook to find people that Facebook's algorithm think could also become a lead or a client or a customer, whatever it is that you're looking for. You're allowing Facebook's algorithm to find people who are outside of that target group that you have set. And it is actually really good. Facebook's algorithm is really good. So for general ads that are just looking for clients or customers or leads, then it's really good to have it on. But when you're testing, in the beginning you want to be testing different audiences to find out what works best. And therefore, when you're testing, then you should have it off, because if you have it on when you're testing a certain audience, a certain interest group, then you don't know really if this interest group is working or not, because you're allowing Facebook to basically get anyone who's outside of this interest group also. So when you're testing, then you should have it off. But when you're then running your lead campaign or your conversion campaigns to get customers or leads, then you can have it on, because Facebook can then find you clients and customers actually outside of that target audience. I hope it helps. Comment below if you have any questions. Give me a like if you like it. Subscribe for more and share it with someone who might find it useful also. And if you are a coach or consultant and you're looking for more clients or leads, then we actually specialize in getting clients and leads for our clients. We have right now an offer where you only pay when you get a paying client, but we're not going to have this offer for long. So if you want to learn more about it, then book a call with me. There's a link in the description. We also have some free downloads in the description. There's a Facebook ad template for coaches and consultants if you want to run your own Facebook ads. So go ahead and download that and you can follow that. There's also an ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. That's more about organic marketing, so go ahead and download that. And also join our free Facebook group where you can get more tips and tricks from me and other marketers. Also link in the description. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.